Are you tired of spending money in your business and not building business credit? Well, guess what? I have the solution for you. We're gonna teach you how to build business credit in 90 days. Because a lot of the companies that you're doing business with offer net 30 accounts.
This will help you with the cash flow of your business. Stick around in this video and we're gonna show you 10 accounts that can help empower your finances with your business.
Did you know you don't even need good credit to open these accounts or be a personal guarantor?
For the best results, you need an LLC, an EIN number, address for your business, phone number, email, and yes, a bank account. And you can set this up with either LLC, S Corp, or C Corp.
Having all of these things will help you set up your net 30 accounts, and it also will help you prepare to set up Visa and MasterCards with no personal guarantor.
So no matter if you're a new business or existing business, setting up business credit is a game changer.
So take notes and start setting up those new accounts today.
We have a variety of accounts for you guys to choose from. Hey, drop some comments about what type of business you got and where you're from.
So let's jump into the 10 accounts that we want you to look at getting for your business credit. First up is NAV. NAV is a business credit monitoring. It's only $49.95, and the wonderful thing about it is you can get credit on your business credit report for having NAV. Amazing, right? The next one we're gonna talk about, number 2, is Ecredible. Ecredible is a service that helps you report your utility bills, your electric bills, so why not get credit for all the things that you're paying for? Number 3 on the list, let's go number 3, Uline. Uline has a variety of items that you can use in your business. Like I said before, it doesn't hurt to get credit for things that you're already purchasing.
Now we're gonna get into Credit Strong. Credit Strong will help you set up secured loans for your business. Also, it can help you with your personal credit. So check out Credit Strong. Then you got JJ Gold. For all the women, you can have cosmetics. You can buy cosmetics from JJ Gold and build business credit. It's absolutely awesome. Next, we have Creative Analytics. If you need help with marketing or different things in your business like social media or marketing, check out Creative Analytics. You can build credit and market your business.
So next on the list is Wise Business Plans. Now everyone needs a business plan, and why not get credit for having a business plan? We all know that you're trying to raise that capital, and when you're looking for capital, the first thing they're gonna wanna see is a business plan. Next on the list is Shirtsy. Shirtsy has nice little shirts and things that you can buy, having your logo on your t-shirts. These are things that you already can use in your business, so why not get credit for what you're already using?
All right, next we got Amazon. Now I know 80% of the people looking at this video use Amazon. Check out Amazon where you can get up to a net 55 account. The next account, Home Depot. For all you real estate guys, the weekend warriors, check out Home Depot to get their net 30 account. They have a lot of accounts to choose from. Make sure you get the one that's no PG.
Now for the bonus.
We got an account called Moose Creek. Yes, Moose Creek, they offer either a net 60 or a net 90. And I'm gonna tell you why that's so important. When you get longer terms on your business account, it will help your score rise. So check out Moose Creek for a net 60 or a net 90. Now, make sure you pay these accounts early. It's best to pay your business credit early.
Now that we've given you these amazing accounts, the next step is to go to Smart Business Reports and make sure that you have a profile set up in their system. Also, go to Dun & Bradstreet. Make sure you have a DUNS number and you have an account set up with them as well.
If anybody's looking for help to set up their business credit and you want to get into a mentorship, check out the link in the description. Now, YouTube is going to recommend an awesome video next. I recommend that you check it out. And also, if you love this information, like and subscribe to our channel.